Welcome to Chem Classroom with Auntie Taiwo. Please click on the subscription button before we go to the class. So today we'll be going to Graham's law of diffusion. We have talked about Boyle's law, Charles law, general gas law, ideal gas law. So ideal gas calculation. So today we'll be going to the Graham's law of diffusion. The Graham's law of diffusion states that the rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of their vapor density or their molar mass. Okay, so under this gas law, we'll be dealing with about 3 formulas. And those 3 formulas, the usage is being determined by whatever question you are being given to solve. You have R1 over R2 equals to the square root of M2 over M1. You have T1 over T2 equals to what? M1, the square root of M1 over M2. Then you now have rate equals to volume over time. So it depends on what you are being asked in a particular question. That's how you are going to know which formula is going to be used. Then another thing is this, because you'll be hearing R1, R2, T1, T2. Students tend to confuse this one. Now, it is the gas that is being mentioned first that will carry number 1, while the second one will carry number 2. Now, let's go to the board and see what we have for today. Okay, so before then, let me solution. So I have R1 over R2 equals to the square root of M2 over M1. You have another formula again, T1 over T2 equals to the square root of what? M1 over M2. Then you now have your rate to the volume over time. So it depends on what is being given to you. That is how you will know what to do. Okay, so now let us read our question and try to solve. If 50 cm cube of oxygen diffused through a porous plug in 10 seconds, that means my oxygen will carry number 1. How long will it take 10 cm cube of methane to diffuse through the same plug? How long means time. Okay, so I'm going to use my R1 over R2. So my R here for oxygen is going to be what? Volume. Volume over time. So the volume that was given here is what? 50 divided by what? 10 over R2 is what? 100 over time. That is the time that we are looking for. M2, we have done our molecular mass, so M2 is going to be what? CH4. So the molar mass of CH4 is 16, while the one for O2 is what? 32. We have done molar mass in our past videos, so you can go and review those ones for you to be able to calculate that. Okay, so my M2 is 16, while my M1 is 32. Yeah, so 50 divided by 10 will give me 5 over, this thing will come up mathematically, 50 divided by 100 will give me the square root of what? 16 divided by 32 will give me 1 over 2. Okay, so what is the square root of 1 over 2? So I'm going to have 5t over 100 equals to what? 0.771. So my t is supposed to be what? 0.771. 0.7071 multiplied by 100 divided by 5 will give me 14.14 seconds. So always remember to write your unit whenever you are calculating. Okay, so we have been able to solve for the time. How long? So it's going to take 14.14 seconds to diffuse methane in the same porous plug. Okay, so when else we meet, we'll be going to other gas laws in our scheme. So please share, like, and subscribe. Tell your friends that Chem Classroom is on YouTube with Auntie Taiwo. All right, see you soon.